Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of USDJPY, AUDUSD, NZDUSD, and USDCHF. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the separate and exclusive videos on gold, Euro USD, and gold USD for Monday. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, USDJPY. This is the 4-hour chart of USDJPY in front of us right now. And as you can see, the last traded price of USDJPY was 114.99. This is the last traded price of USDJPY. This level of 114.80 is acting as a Fibonacci 50% retracement level, and from there we saw market bouncing also. But one thing that we need to focus here on this chart is that though we have 114.80 as the support, but market is unable to cross the previous highs here. Okay, it signifies the rise in the number of sellers here. So whenever we face a scenario like this, situation like this, there is always a possibility of market breaking the support and going down. Okay, so considering the overall setup, okay, let's see how the market opens. So after the market opening, if market goes up, okay, if market goes up, there is a high chance of market reversing from the trend line. Okay, trend line around, the figure will be around, the value will be around 115.20. Okay, 115.20 to 115.30. Around this level, if you see price is being rejected from above, if you see market is reversing, you can take a sell position, because we can easily see that market is constantly forming lower highs here. Okay, and if after the market opening market goes down, then observe the market at 114.80 level. So yes, market may bounce. Okay, if market bounces, please follow strict risk management, and yes, you can take a buy as well. You can take a buy, but following strict risk management is important, because in this setup, market may break the support at any time. And if market breaks it, I will not recommend any sell, because we have immediate support available at 114.55 level. So taking a sell position is not required. So if market breaks the 114.80 level, wait for the market to touch this level. There's a good chance of market bouncing from 114.55 level. If market bounces from 114.55 level, we can definitely take a buy position. Now let's talk about the chart of AUDUSD. As you can see that AUDUSD started in uptrend right now, and the last traded price is 0.7171. Cool number. This is the last traded price of AUDUSD. So after the market opening, there is a possibility of market bouncing from 0.7150 level. If market bounces, well and good. With proper risk management, strict risk management, definitely you can take a buy position on AUDUSD at 0.7150. If market breaks it after the opening, if in case there is a selling pressure in the market, and if market breaks it, then if you want to take a sell position, you can take a sell position below 0.7150. But the next buying opportunity will be at 0.7110 or 0.7100. This will be the next support for the market. Okay, and there's a high chance of market bouncing from this level. If market is unable to bounce from 7150 level, okay, you can take a sell position, your personal decision, and if you want, then you can take a buy at this level as well. But keep in mind, confirmation is always important. So if you want to buy at support, then wait for the confirmation in the form of hammer pattern, bullish pin bar, or any good price rejection from below. And at the top, we have 0.7240 to 0.7250 level. If market goes up, there is a minor resistance at 0.7220 also, But I'll say that if possible, try to take a sell position at this level only, because this is much more reliable in comparison to this 0.7220. Okay, so these are the levels on the AUDUSD chart. Let's see where the market moves. Keep in mind, whatever you do, please follow risk management, because this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. Okay, and it's your hard-earned money. And now New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Market is standing at Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level here at 0.6694. This is the current market last traded price. Okay, so if market, after the market opening, if market bounces, well and good. If market fails to bounce, and if you see market going down, selling pressure is there in the market, you can take a sell position as well. Okay, your next buy level will be this 0.6650. If you take a sell position, exit at 0.6650 and watch the market, observe the market carefully in this level. Considering the present structure of the market, if market fails also here, there is a good possibility of market bouncing from here. If market bounces, well and good, take a buy position. But in case market goes up, there is a possibility of market facing some selling pressure at 0.6720 to 0.6730 level as well. If market reverses from here, yes, you can take a sell position, but keep in mind confirmation. Yes, if you see strong price rejection from above, then only take a sell position at this particular level. Okay, and last chart is USDCHF dollar franc, Swiss franc. To be honest, I am not much convinced with the chart setup here. Okay, I'll say that it's better to avoid USDCHF right now. But in case it comes down to this level, there is a possibility of market bouncing. If you see USDCHF coming down to 917570 level and bounces, then only take a buy position. Otherwise, just avoid USDCHF. To be honest, I am not much convinced with the chart now. And in case you see that USDCHF breaking the level of 7150, sorry, 9175 and going down, take a sell, exit at 9150. Okay, not much space, around 20 pips, around 20 pips only. You can take a sell position here and exit here, and there's a good possibility, good chance of market bouncing from here as well. If market bounces, go for a buy. Okay, at 0.9150 to 0.9140, this is the next support for USDCHF. But in this present market condition, don't do anything. Okay, so bye bye, take care, see you on Monday.